In this video, you will learn how to fix echo issues on your Android phone. Echo can be very annoying during phone calls. It happens when the sound from the speaker goes back into the microphone. This can make it hard to hear the other person clearly. I will go through some simple steps to help you solve this problem. Let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. First, ensure that your phone's microphone and speaker are clean and free from obstructions. Dust and debris can impact sound quality significantly. Next, check if you're using a case or cover that might be blocking the microphone or speaker holes. If so, remove it and test again. If those basic checks don't resolve the issue, let's adjust some settings on your phone. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen to access quick settings. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings page. Now scroll down until you find General Management. Tap on it. Once you're in General Management, scroll all the way down and tap on Reset. Here you'll see several options. Select Reset All Settings. This option will reset all settings back to factory defaults without affecting security settings, language preferences, accounts, personal data, or downloaded apps. This process can help clear any misconfigurations that might be causing echo during calls. Once completed, test if this resolves your echo issue. If resetting settings didn't fix the problem, consider checking for software updates. Sometimes manufacturers release updates that address bugs related to call quality. In addition to software solutions, hardware issues could also cause echoes during calls. Check if there are any visible damages around the microphone area or if there's water damage present. If everything seems intact but echoes persist across multiple calls or applications like Zoom or Skype, it may be time for professional repair services. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.